Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Lego Fortnite not working. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, why is your Fortnite or Lego Fortnite is not working? So there are a few things that you should be checking here to fix this issue. So one of the things that you need to check here is you need to check if you have proper or you have stable internet connection. So usually you could use any website for this one. Like for example, I've opened up Google here. So what we need to do here is we just need to type in internet speed test, and from here see if you have a stable interconnection. Now sometimes if you don't have a stable interconnection here, then most probably that is the cause of this issue. That's why you're not able to play Lego Fortnite. Now, another thing that you should consider here is if you're unable to create a world or join a world in Lego Fortnite, then sometimes the server itself is congested. So meaning a lot of people are playing Lego Fortnite right now since it is quite popular as of this moment. Now, in this case, what you could do here is just wait for a few minutes or even a few hours and check again later on if that solves your issue. Now, in this case, if that doesn't solve your issue and it is not peak time when you're playing, when you're trying to open up Lego Fortnite, well, another thing that you could do here is you want to verify the game files that you have. So here in Epic Games, what we need to do is we need to right click on Fortnite here, and in here, you could also access it via library here, and in here, you could go and click on the three-dotted icon here, and you should see the option that says manage. Now under manage, you have the option that says verify files. So in this case, go ahead and click on verify here, and it's going to verify your installation file in Fortnite, and from there, it just needs to check itself, and from there, see if that solves the issue. Now, if this doesn't solve the issue and you're still having problems, well, the next and last thing that you could do here is to basically uninstall Fortnite and reinstall it again and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.